I make this video just for you. Yeah, it's a quick video, probably 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I make it especially for you. I know you confuse a lot about the use of these two verbs, but today I'm going to make it clear for you. From now on, you will not get confused anymore about the use of the verb to owe and the verb to owe. To owe and to own. Okay? They look alike, kind of, sort of, but the difference is enormous. The way they pronounce is different and their meaning is different as well. All right? To owe and to own. To owe, really simple, really quick. To owe means I need to pay back. I need to give you something back. Let's say you did something for me and I need to pay you back. So I owe you something, okay? Let's say I borrowed some money from you and I need to pay you back. I borrow some money from you, okay? I borrow some money from you. That means you lent me some money. You lent me some money, okay? Because I borrowed some money from you, and because you lent me some money, I need to pay you back. So, because I borrowed some money from you, that means I owe you some money. I need to pay back. You lent me some money. You lent me some money, that means I got some money from you. Now I need to pay you back. Okay? So to owe, that means I owe something. So I owe you dinner. Let's say we went out together and you bought me dinner. Now I promise to take you out for dinner and this time I'm going to pay. To own means possess, is belong, is a possession or belonging or something that belongs to me. Something that I possess. Like I own a car. I owe you dinner. Let's say we went out together and you bought me dinner. Now I promise to take you out for dinner and this time I'm going to pay. To own means possess, is belong, is a possession or belonging or something that belongs to me. Something that I possess. Like I own a car. Okay? I own a car. That means the car belongs to me. Okay? I own, it's mine. It's mine. It's not yours. It's mine. Okay? That's all. That's, you got it? Alright. Okay? Now, when I need to pay back something, I use I owe. I owe. It just pronounced I owe. And I own. I own. The sound N is that something belongs to me. And the sound O is that something I need to pay back. Alright? O is like give away, pay back. And own is possess and belong. One more example. At the supermarket, I wanted to buy something, but I didn't have enough money. And my friend lent me some money to complete what I have so I can buy what I needed to buy. Therefore, I owe my friend some money. Therefore, I need to pay back. I owe all right. I owe you a dinner. I owe you a dinner. That means I need to buy you dinner. That means I need to buy you dinner. That means I need to take you out for dinner. Okay? Because I owe you a dinner, because I need to take you out for dinner. When we go out next time, I'm going to pay for dinner. To own mean it belongs to me. It belongs to me. It belongs to you. It belongs to us. My mom owes a restaurant. Okay. My mom owns a restaurant. That's mean the restaurant belongs to my mom. It belongs to her. Kind of belong to me too, eh? The restaurant belongs to my mom. That's my mom possesses it. Okay? It's for her. It's for the family. It's for her. It belongs to her. She owns the restaurant. Okay? I own two TVs. Alright? I own two TVs. That means I have two televisions. I have two televisions. I have two TVs. Okay? Clear? I want this to stick in your mind, and I want you to understand it. To owe means you need to pay back. Meaning someone did something for you and you need to do something for that someone. That's to owe. And to own means you have something. Something belongs to you. You possess something. I have a phone. I own a phone. Okay. To owe, to own. To owe, to own. Sounds different. To owe, to own. Thank you for watching. Bye.